26 ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಚುನಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar on Thursday said the Congress government has pledged to conduct all pending local body elections across Karnataka in 2026, reiterating its commitment to democratic processes and grassroots governance. The announcement was made in Bengaluru on 1st January. Shivakumar, who also serves as the state Congress president, said the government would focus on ensuring peace, happiness and positive change for citizens in the coming year. Recently, Shivakumar had indicated that Zilla Panchayat and Taluk Panchayat elections would need to be conducted within the next 2 to 3 months and asked party leaders to begin preparations. He also announced that application forms for aspirants seeking Congress tickets for elections to 5 city corporations under the Greater Bengaluru Authority had been released. Claiming that the government delivered effective governance in 2025, Shivakumar highlighted major initiatives such as the Global Investors Meet, the Bengaluru Tech Summit, fulfillment of electoral promises and key policy decisions. Separately, Home Minister Dr G Parameshwara said he expects a political elevation in 2026 subject to a decision by the Congress High Command. The senior leader, who previously served as State Congress President, had in November indicated his interest in the Chief Minister's post amid an ongoing power tussle between Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar. Leaders close to Siddaramaiah have suggested that Parameshwara could be considered as Karnataka's first Dalit Chief Minister if a leadership change occurs.